Why the price going down for all crypto stocks? Coinbase, Mara, Riot is going down, all of them. Mara is 11%, is the top loser for today. You know why? Because it was the top gainer before, after a huge jump and got near the massive resistance, the 31.91. We already discussed it before, guys, before the end of the last weekend. And that's why we suggest for our hunters to take profit around this level. And this is normal. Just technically, we said this is a major resistance. And everybody asking why the price going down. We have to discuss today. Is this opportunity to enter where we're gonna have a reversal? Because this has happened before and we already have a good hunt before. Once everybody start to panic, we said this is normal because the market maker will buy the dip. Again, we're gonna have the same reaction pretty soon. So hit the like button and the way in, and let's talk about Mara and the other stocks and where they will reverse in the coming days, or maybe even the continuation for a huge pump and price target. We're going to discuss it for the next month in March. So let's get right to it and discuss first Mara. Look at that. After a huge reversal back in the beginning of February, we did, guys, almost 100% or 88% up in gain in just 1 week. So this is normal, guys. 7 days or 1 week, and we did almost 100%. This is crazy. And now we are down 12%, and you be panicking and you tell me the market is red or start to sell Mara because we're flushing down. No, this is normal. You have to see the big picture. I'm gonna give you an example. It's like many people right now think they have a huge problem. Everybody have a problem. I know, everybody. However, if you just consider your problem, let's say your job, or you have an exam, or you don't prepare for something, or you have to pay the bills, or you got caught by the police and you have to pay the speeding ticket, all those problems are tiny problem because are in this smaller picture in your life. If you just take a big picture, not on your life, but on the whole world life, on the universe life, you see that your problem is really stupid. Sorry to say that, but this is the reality. The same with the situation that happening for Mara, Coinbase, and Riot and the whole market. If you see the smaller picture, you get a panic and you say, okay, the market is red, sell. And this is how many traders losing money, because once the market is red, instead buying near the support, they start to sell, and they sell their position with a loss, and they don't have the composure and patience to see this price reversal, or already, as we said before, you should have sold before this massive resistance or massive rejection from the last week around the 31.91. There's always a strategy. Either you sell before the selling pressure or you buy near the support. Simple. But yet is not simple if you don't know how to do that. That's why we always do a pre-market update alert. And of course, during the market, if we have a price change for many stocks, we do chart analysis update every day, guys. Every day we do pre-market and live streaming. So join us in the link in comment section below if you want to know about the price change for many stocks. Anyway, for the current situation, what we should do for Mara. Now, we have the $22 support for Mara. So you see here, we have 12% price pullback, not 12% for, if we're gonna calculate since this price drop since last week, Wednesday, we have almost 25%, but this is nothing much here. If you want to compare the huge pump that we did in 1 week, almost 88%. So this is called correction. Still, as long as we hold the $22, it means there's a chance for a reversal. What does mean reversal? It means the same that happened back In December, the huge flush down. This is a huge flush, yes. And we reverse. We took time, but we reverse. Look at this reversal. Big reversal. It happened in just 1 week because huge market maker bought here. So for Mara, we have to hold over this level to have a reversal. So we might have a reversal tomorrow or the coming days for this week. And we don't have a huge reversal up like this, but we accumulate like what happened here. We're gonna have a bit of consolidation, then reversal. We're gonna discuss where we're gonna have a rejection or test for the next resistance after that. However, we're gonna discuss Coinbase first. Coinbase, we have support is over the 160. We have a big buyer still holding over this wick that happened after the earnings. So the 160 is the current support for Coinbase, and it's normal that we have a pullback because resistant or profit taking, we said around the 200. So we went until the 193. For Coinbase, it was unfortunate. You know why? Because it happened during this pullback for the other cryptocurrency, because we have a bit of a red day for today. That's why Coinbase pullback should have went really good toward the 200 because after a good earnings, but today it was a bit red. That's why Coinbase pulling back as well. But in big picture, it's still looking good because we're still holding the 160. On the other hand, we have Riot. Riot is okay because we just dropped 5%. The support for Riot is the 1321. So now we have the support for Mara, Coinbase, and Riot. What we should do with this information. Again, this is not a financial information, or you have to do your due diligence before you put your money on the line every time. However, how we use this information in order to be ready for a reversal. I will give you an example here. So for Mara, guys, for Mara, we have the 22 as a support. What I mean, so the support is mean we have to have a reversal. It mean we have to have buying pressure or at least consolidation. So the 22 will be a good reversal zone. We'll confirm that we have a big buyer still there. And then we're gonna have this reaction. The price will go up. At least, guys, at least we're gonna have a test until the 26.50. This will be good. Not like this, going toward the 31.90. It will be even better, but the realistic price action should be like this, going at least around the 26. This is at least for tomorrow or the coming days after we hold this level. For Coinbase, on the other hand, the same. We are pretty near this support, which is the 160. As long as we hold the 160, we're going to have a reversal, then going toward this target, the 206 and the 218. For Riot, the same. We have the 1320. As long as we consolidate over this level and hold, it means we are loading up to test the 1950. For all of them, guys, for all of them, the orange line is the level that we gonna have a huge pump once again and shift in the price for all of them. So for Riot is around the 1950, mark this level. For Coinbase is around the 206, 218. For Mara is around the 31.91. So all of them have to break this level this year in order to have a huge level shift, like what happened back there here, guys. Let me just show you. And last year, November, look at that. Once we broke that level, around this level, the $11, we have a huge pump here from the 11 until the 30. We did 200%. So we're gonna have the same reaction like this one. Once we break the 31, will be a shift, guys. That's why the short seller fighting the last level before we're gonna have a huge shoot for the star for Mara. We have a huge target, man, for Mara, at least around the 40 in coming months. However, in the time being, we have to hold the $22. The bottom is still around the 16 and the 14. We already reversed from it for this year. In the time being, as we said, 22, we should have a reversal. We'll see if we have a crypto reversal in coming days, because as everybody knows, cryptos have a direct effect for Mara and Coinbase and Riot. So stay tuned for a major update for those crypto stocks for tomorrow on our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open, and before that on our Discord and Patreon. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.